Okay, guys, I would like to share a small tip for you in Samba, but that's you can use also for every other dance. So it's called having a two long sides when you do body action. What does it mean? So of course, when we dance, especially Samba, we have to squeeze and we have to do actions. But same time, I see a lot of my students, they squeeze so much, and that's what happens. So we lose the beauty. So we have to learn, first of all, to use inner muscles and squeeze without disturbing the beautiful shoulder line. And second, we also have to learn to squeeze and compress at the end of the action, not at the beginning or not in the middle of the action. So let's do an example of cruzado walk in Samba. So as we're doing in our choreography, we have a hip rolls 5, 6, 7. Then we go into the stationary Samba 7, 8. So here is very important to have a high hip, of course, but you don't want to over squeeze. Get into here. You want to have still two long sides. And then on recovery, that's where you can squeeze a little bit more and go for the next one. Okay, so take a look again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And the same on cruzado walk. Our next part. We want to have that beautiful Samba position, high hip, but we don't want to over squeeze and have it half moon here. Even we have a beautiful and strong chest for two sides are very strong, and that's going to give us also that inclination. Never like this. Okay, but then on end, you can squeeze a little bit more on the way out. Boom. So at the beginning of the step, my sides are quite long, and at the end, I can squeeze them. So keep two sides long, and then in next videos, I'll show you more in depth this idea.